Hey, just dropping a quick video to demonstrate an important point, that is, there is no set rules when it comes to interest stacking. This is an example for the dentist niche. I am stacking just one group. You don't have to have 2 or 3 or 4 groups always. You just need one group. I just applied demographics field of study, and I applied all the type of dental based studies, right? I got few from Google, then I used suggestions to get more, right? This is all field of study, and then I added universities that are related to dentistry, right? Now make sure you check the age. This is about 30, so almost everybody would be graduated out of these universities anyways, so they are not students. And work employees, I added dentist. Job titles, I added almost all the job titles that are related to dentist as well. Now check the right hand side, the potential reach. The size is 200,000 across United States. That's a very good number, right? Now we can just run ad to this group, or we could maybe test out a stack. What is that stack? We can maybe test out a stack which says people who are Facebook business page admins. Okay. Page admins. All right. So Facebook business page admins. That's a good one, right? Now let's see what's the size of audience. It's just 6,000 people, but these 6,000 people are really targeted dentists. How can I say that? I can say that because on the first group we are targeting people who are some way related to dental degree, right, or university, or list themselves as a dentist. And on the second group we are saying they have to be at least a Facebook business page admin. So that is 6,000 people. We can add one more, maybe small business owner. Small business owners. Here you go. Yeah, it's a behavior. People who list themselves as small business owner or on small business Facebook pages. So small business owners is a good targeting. So 18,000, that's not bad at all for a CAM funnel. Remember, you only have to get 3 or 4 customers to bring in 2 to 3 or even 4-5 grand a month, right? So this is another set of targeting. Maybe you can target or narrow down to that dental magazine, right? So in the previous example I used the targeting of small business owners, right? Maybe you can target, what is the magazine which they use? Yeah, Dental Town. Let's see. Dental Town. It's 2800, but it's still good, right? Who reads Dental Town other than dentists? Similarly, you can try different stacks, you can try different methods. It all depends on your creativity. Hell, you can just run with just one interest, right? You can just run with, just delete everything and run with demographics, work, job title, people who list themselves as dentist. Just this, you can run with it. It's 100,000 people. So it all depends on your creativity. We cannot do the targeting for you. What you should do is play around, spend a lot of time in this, figure out your audience, and when you do this, make sure you have set these things correct, right? I used to set this to Philippines, and I was wondering why my my potential reach was showing as 300, or sorry, less than 1000. So you make sure you have all these set right, then play around with it. You will definitely find great targeting stacks. And then once you have the stacks, jump to the next module where I'll show you how to launch the ads. So I will speak to you in the next module. This is Abhi from Callzoom.